Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is dropshipping. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a the result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. In dropshipping business model, the seller typically partners with a dropshipping supplier or wholesaler who handles inventory, packaging, and shipping. These arrangements allows the seller to focus on marketing, customer service, and managing their online store without the overhead of cost and logistical complexities associated with traditional retail. We are talking here about the key advantages of dropshipping include number one, low overhead. Since you don't need to invest in inventory upfront, the costs associated with stocking and storing products are eliminated. Number two, flexibility. Dropshipping allows you to offer a wide variety of products without the need to manage inventory, making it easier to adapt to market trends and customer demands. Number three, scalability. With dropshipping, you can quickly scale your business without worrying about the constraints of inventory management and fulfillment logistics. Number four, location independence. Dropshipping can be managed from anywhere with an internet connection, making it suitable for entrepreneurs who prefer a flexible lifestyle. However, dropshipping also has some drawbacks, including number one, low profit margins. Since you're not buying products in bulk, unit cost may be higher, resulting in thinner profit margins compared to traditional retail models. Number two, less control over fulfillment. Because you're relying on third-party suppliers for inventory and shipping, you have less control over the fulfillment process, which can impact customer satisfaction. Number three, supplier dependence. Your business success is partly dependent on the reliability and efficiency of your dropshipping suppliers. Issues such as stockouts, shipping delays, or product quality problems can affect your reputation and bottom line. Overall, dropshipping can be a viable business model for those looking to start an online business with minimal upfront investment and reduced operational complexity. However, success in dropshipping requires effective marketing, product selection, and diligent management of supplier relationships and customer expectations. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is dropshipping is all about. Thank you so much for watching and listening in this video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. Thank you so much guys. So see you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.